Hi everyone, it's Hannah, here with another quick Excel tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically color code specific words or phrases in Excel. This should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, so let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is highlight the range of the area you want to search for. In this example, I'm going to highlight the entire worksheet. Once you've done that, go to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting. Then click on Highlight Cell Rules and select Equal To. Now type in the word or phrase that you want to match. For example, I'll type in true. By default, Excel will highlight this with a light red fill and dark red text. But if you want to use a different color, you can select from the drop-down menu or click on Custom Format to choose your own custom color. To choose a custom color, click on More Colors and select the RGB code of the color you want. Once you've done that, click OK and then click OK again. And there you go. You've now color-coded specific words in your Excel worksheet. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next one. Goodbye.